Sam, I need to talk to you.
Of course, Emily. What's going on?
Honestly, I feel really sad these days.
Oh no, what happened?
My friends always laugh at me when I speak English.
They laugh? Why would they do that?
Because my English is not good. I try to talk, but I make many mistakes.
Oh, I understand. That must feel terrible.
It is. Every time I try to say something, they laugh.
Every single time?
Almost every time.
That's not fair.
I know. It makes me afraid to speak.
Afraid of what?
Afraid of speaking English in front of people.
Don't be afraid, Emily. Everyone starts somewhere.
I try, but I always fail.
Failing is part of learning. Don't worry too much.
Then tell me, how can I improve?
Start with the simple present tense,
Why that one?
because it's the most important tense for beginners.
Really?
Yes, we use it every single day for habits, for facts, for things we do in daily life.
Oh, I see. Daily life things.
Exactly. Let me show you. I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning too.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth as well.
I drink water.
I drink tea.
See? These are all simple present sentences.
Oh, we use it to talk about our routines.
Right. Simple, isn't it?
Yes, it's easy to understand.
And it's powerful. Do you speak English with your family?
Sometimes, but not often.
Why not?
Because my family doesn't speak English.
That's fine. Practice with your friends then.
But my friends laugh at me.
Then practice with me.
Really?
Of course. I'll help you anytime.
Thank you so much, Sam.
Let's start right now. Simple sentences first.
Okay, I'm ready.
I go to school.
I go to college.
I read books.
I read books. I read novels.
I like cricket.
I like cricket. I like music.
Great. These are clear and simple.
Yes, very easy to say.
Try a few more on your own.
Okay. I drink milk.
Good. Good.
I eat rice.
Excellent.
I walk to the market.
Nice.
I play with my sister.
Wonderful. You're improving fast.
Do you think I can really get better? Are you proud of me?
Of course. You already are. Keep practicing every day.
I will.
Yes, I am very proud of you.
Thank you.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I wake up early.
What next?
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
What do you eat?
I eat bread.
What do you drink?
I drink tea.
What do you eat sometimes?
Sometimes eggs.
I don't eat eggs.
Then what do you eat?
Rice and vegetables.
That's nice. What do you do after breakfast?
I go to the office.
I go to college.
Do you study hard?
Yes, I do.
I work hard at my job.
I feel happy when I study.
And I feel happy when I work.
My teacher speaks English in class.
Do you understand her?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Do you ask questions when you don't understand?
No, I feel too shy.
Don't be shy.
But my friends laugh when I ask.
Forget them.
That's easy to say, not to do.
I know, but you have to try.
Okay, I will try.
You spoke well today, Emily.
Really?
Yes, really.
I feel a bit better now.
Good. Keep it up.
Thanks, Sam. I feel more confident already.
I'm glad to hear that.
But I still make mistakes.
Everyone does.
My friends don't.
They do, but they hide it
Then why do they laugh at me?
because they don't understand what learning means.
I feel bad when they laugh.
Don't care about them. Care about your progress.
You're right.
How do you practice English?
I read every day.
What do you read?
Short stories.
Short stories. That's nice. Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, and I like poems too.
Excellent. Do you read aloud?
No, silently.
Try reading aloud. It improves your speech.
Oh, I didn't know that.
When you read aloud, your mouth and mind work together.
Wow. I'll start reading aloud.
Do you watch English movies?
Not really.
Ah, perfect. Also, practice speaking every day.
I will.
Do you watch English movies?
Not really.
Why not?
I can't understand everything.
Use subtitles.
I don't like subtitles.
But they help you learn new words.
Okay, I'll try.
Watch one English movie every week.
I'll do that.
Tell me more sentences.
Sure. I clean my room. I write in my notebook.
Good. Keep going.
I help my mother in the kitchen.
Excellent.
I play with my brother.
Great.
I sing a song.
Wonderful.
I draw pictures.
Nice job.
I play cricket.
I play badminton.
Do you play every day?
No, only Sundays.
Why only Sunday?
I work on other days.
Oh, I understand.
Do your friends speak English?
No, they don't.
Then practice with me.
Okay, I will.
Do you eat ice cream?
Yes, chocolate flavor.
I like vanilla.
Do you drink coffee?
No, I drink tea.
I drink tea every day too.
Me too.
Me too. I feel happy when I talk to you.
I'm happy listening to you.
You never laugh at me.
I never will.
You always encourage me.
Always. You're doing great.
Thank you, Sam.
Now, why is simple present tense so important?
Because we use it every day?
Exactly. It's for daily life, habits, and facts.
Like the sun rises in the east.
Perfect. Or, water boils at 100 degrees.
Oh, I understand now.
Sometimes we even use it for schedules. The train leaves at 9.
Wow, it's everywhere.
Yes, the foundation of English.
Like the base of a house?
Exactly. Without it, English falls apart.
That makes sense.
So practice daily. Make 10 sentences a day.
I will say them aloud and write them down.
That's the way.
Slowly, I'll get better.
Yes, step by step.
Can I tell you some now?
Go ahead.
I wake up at 7.
I eat breakfast at 8. I go to class at 9.
Good.
I study with my friends. I drink tea at 4. I read at night.
Wonderful. You are growing fast.
Thank you. I will keep practicing.
Never stop.
I won't.
Remember, simple present is for habits, facts, and daily talk.
It's everywhere.
So master it.
I will. I'm not afraid anymore.
That's the spirit.
I feel strong. I can speak English.
Yes, you can.
I practice every day. I improve step by step.
Exactly. That's how learning works.
Thank you, Sam. You're a true friend.
And you're a wonderful learner.
I speak English now with joy.
And I listen with joy.
Simple present tense helps me.
I believe in myself.
I'm glad we had this conversation.
Me too. It was very helpful.